Welcome to the second music lesson. In this lesson, we are basically going to talk about the music notes. The first note we are looking at is a whole note. Whole note, this one like an oval. The next note is called half note. This one like an oval but with a stem. The next is called quarter note. For it has an oval and a stem, but the oval is shaded black. The eighth note, also called quiver, it has a stem, it has a flag, and the oval is shaded. Then 16th note has two flags. What are the lengths of these notes? Whole note has 4 counts. You sustain for 4 beats. So it would become ta. Half note. Half note is half of the whole note. So if the whole note has 4 counts, then the half note has 2 counts. So it would be ta. So in a space of one whole note, you can have 2 half notes. 2 half notes are equal to one whole note. Ta. Quarter note is a quarter of the whole note. The whole note has 4 counts, so quarter note has just only one beat. So it would be ta. So it would be ta. Then eighth note, also known as quiver, 2 of the eighth notes are equivalent to 1 quarter note. Note this clearly. 2 eighth notes are equivalent to 1 quarter note. So it becomes ta, te, ta, te. Instead of saying ta, we are saying ta, te, ta, te, ta, te. We are filling in another note. So we are pronouncing 2 eighth notes. Ta, te, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te. Then 16th note. 4 of the 16th notes. 4 16th notes are equivalent to 1 quarter note. So instead of saying ta, if you're pronouncing 16th notes, you'll say tafatefe. So when you say tafatefe, you have pronounced 4 same quavers. Tafatefe. Instead of saying ta. We are saying tafatefe. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope this is clear and we understand well. Here you can see this is a whole note on a line. Whole note, also known as semibreve, has 4 counts. This is half note. For it has 2 counts. This is quarter note with just 1 beat. So I've drawn only one line to show you how they would appear on a line. This is eighth note. You see it has 1 flag, so it is just half beat. When we are pronouncing it, we combine 2 of them, like the way you're seeing these 2. This is their flag, but it is combined. We are joining 2 of them for smart work. So this would be ta te, like combining 2 quavers to give us a ta te. Then this is 16th note, also known as semiquaver. It is quarter beat. It is quarter beat. That means 4 of the 16th notes are equivalent to 1 beat, and we said the 1 beat is the crotchet. So we shall say 4 of them tafatefe. 4 of them will be pronounced as tafatefe. You see they have 2 flags. You can see this. This is different from this. These are 2 flags. This is 1 flag. So these are semiquavers joined together. These are 4 of them. I hope this is clear and we understand. Next, we can try singing some of these notes. The whole note, the way we have said, whole note has 4 counts. So this would be ta, ta, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope this is clear and you can all understand. Ta, ta, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in simple terms, the whole note you sustain for 4 counts. The next note we shall look at is called half note. Half note, for it has 2 counts. So this would be ta, 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So in simple terms, it just has just you sustain for 2 counts. Ta, 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 ta. So that is half note. When we go to quarter note, you can look at this. We have ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see that we are pronouncing a bit on every note. Ta, 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 ta. So that is quarter note, what we call crochet. It has only 1 beat. The next we shall look at is the quiver. Quiver, here I have combined 2 of them. Just like the way we have already described that 2 quivers are equivalent to 1 crochet. These 2 combined are equal to 1 crochet, These 2, when you combine these also 1 crochet, when you combine these 1 crochet. So I combined them with a reason such that you see exactly where ta is. So this would be ta te 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 ta te. I hope this is clear and easy to understand. Ta te 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 ta te. And I hope you can see where the ta starts from. The way we have combined them. 2 quavers are equivalent to 1 crochet. This is what it symbolizes. 2 of them combined are equivalent to 1 crochet. The next note we are going to talk about is the semiquaver. Semiquaver, or 16th note. As we said, 4 16th notes are equivalent to 1 crochet, or 1 quarter note, or 1 beat. So you see the way I have combined them. 4 of them all combined, they are in a space of 1 crochet. These 4 in a space of 1 crochet. These 4 in a space of 1 crochet. These 4, and as you continue. So this would be sung as tafatefe, 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 tafatefe. And I hope that is easy to identify. It would be tafatefe, 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 tafatefe. So that is briefly about the music notes by length. I want us to try out these examples and sing the notes according to their lengths. Like now, the way you see in this example here, the first one, this is a whole, this is a half note, so ta. Then these are 2 quavers. This will be ta te. 2 quavers, ta te, then ta. Because when you combine 2 quavers, you shall pronounce them as ta te. So what will this example be? This is ta, ta, te, ta, 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 te, ta, ta, te, ta, te, ta. I hope that is easy to understand. We can go through again. 1, 2, 3, we go. Ta, ta, te, ta, 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 te, ta, ta, te, ta, te, ta. And I hope this is very easy to understand. Now we can try this one. What will it be? It should be ta, te, ta, te, ta, te, ta. Ta, ta, ta. It is good. We try another one. We try this one. What will it be? Ta, 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 tafatefe ta, tafatefe ta, ta, ta. Let us try again together. 1, 2, 3, we go. Ta, 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 tafatefe ta, tafatefe ta, ta, ta. That is another example. We can take this example also. Ta, ta, te, ta, 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 te, ta, ta. This is very easy. We can sing again. We go ta, ta, te, ta, 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 te, ta, ta. It is good. Can try another one. We try this. We go tafa tefe ta te, tafa tefe ta te, ta. We try again. Can try again this one. Tafa tefe ta te, tafa tefe ta te, ta. Okay, this is briefly about the music notes. Before we leave this section of music notes, I want us to do something slight about the dotted notes. Dotted notes, mathematically, a dotted note is equal to that very note plus its half. So when you dot a minim, it will be, by length, it will be a minim plus a crochet, all combined. So in this case, when you dot a minim or half note has 2 counts plus the other 1 count of a crochet, so it will be 3 counts. So it would be ta. You have dotted a minim. So in this example here, this would be ta, ta, te, ta, ta, ta. We can go together again. Ta, ta, te, ta, ta, ta. And I hope that is easy to understand. Also, there are rests. A whole rest, you rest for. This whole rest is equivalent to a whole note. So you rest in a space equivalent to a whole note. This is half rest. Half rest, you rest for a time equivalent to half note. This is a symbol for quarter rest. So where you find this symbol, you rest for just 1 beat, a space equivalent to quarter note. This is a rest for 8th note. So when you meet this, you rest in a space equivalent to a quiver, 8th note. This is rest for 16th note. You can see it has 2 flags. So when you meet this, you rest for a space equivalent to a 16th note. The same way we have talked about dotted notes, you can dot a rest. Like now, this is a dotted rest, you can see. Dotted quarter rest, you can see. This is dotted half rest, you can see. This is dotted 8th rest. So you would rest in a space equivalent to a dotted eighth note. I want us to first sing this together. This would be ta, 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 te, ta, ta, ta. We can try again. You try again. Ta, 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 te, ta, ta, ta. We have seen the way we dotted a minimum, it became 3 counts. Now you can try this one. This would be ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, te, ta. You can try again. Ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, te, ta. You can see this is equivalent to 1.5 beats. When you say ta, ti, ta, you're not waiting for it to reach in the second beat. So this is 1.5 beats. This is completing it. Then you enter the third beat. The third beat. Thank you so much. I hope you now understand where the music notes, and as we go on with other lessons, we shall meet many of these examples in details, and they will be easy for us.